Hey guys, this is Gene Jensen. We are at Chassahowiska campground, boat launch. It looks like it's everything but storage. But I'm here kayaking with old Hoover and a couple of the guys from KBF, and we're filming a TV show. But I'm gonna bring you guys along. This is my very first chance to catch a snook. So I don't care if it's a little one or a big one or whatever.
You know it's going to be a little one.
I know, because that's all I catch is little fish. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. Y'all see this? They're going to scratch on the bottom of your boat. That's awesome. Awesome. Those are kind of big. Jody! Alright, so this is a spring-fed river. They say it's got over 1 million gallons a day that come out of that spring that's right there to where we started. And it's just full of fish, loaded down with fish. But I already seen some manatee, man, that was awesome. I've never seen those before. And now it's just time to catch a snook. What I've got tied on is I've got a, and I might change the rig just a little bit, but I got a pearl fluke and a little bit of grass on it, but it's a jerkbait, a Rapala X-Wrap, and pearl, and sticky hooks. I just can't get over how beautiful this place is. Jody over there's already got something on a snook or something. I don't know if you guys can see it because the GoPros can't zoom, but getting towed. Got a boat coming through. Nice. That's awesome.
Let me get a histogram real quick.
There's one. Got one.
You got one. Throw the bait out there. As soon as it hits the water, give it a little snap.
Woohoo!
And let it sit. Yeah, baby. Get
Nice.
Fired up. Some redfish out of here. About the 17-inch variety, but not many. But every now and then they'll get in here.
Just grunt.
Yeah.
My first jack.
Oh, big lady fish. Poor man's target.
Yep. There it goes. We're gonna have a little bit of fun. Look at us all. So what we did is we paddled several hundred yards through some really shallow stuff. We just pulled up into a pocket of deep water. It's about 5 or 6 feet deep, and the fish are just stacked in here. Literally, we're just gonna sit here on the edge and cast until we don't want to catch fish anymore. Ooh. There's something. Ladyfish. Awesome. Nope, that's a snook. I got my first snook. Oh, snook almost got me. I don't care what size they are, first or first. So the trick was to change from a jerkbait that I was throwing a pointer that dove a little too deep to a white X-Wrap that kept it shallow. And it was literally the first cast with that X-Wrap I caught this. They are pretty. So one thing to remember when you get into a place like this where you know there's a lot of fish and you're not catching them, don't go anywhere. Just keep casting and keep casting, and all of a sudden something will trigger them, or they'll just start feeding, and then all of a sudden you'll start seeing people catch more and more and more and more fish. So during the lulls, just hang in there. You'll catch 2 or 3 of them during that period of time, and then once they start that feeding time again, they're going to really start biting hard. So, and I didn't bring any food to eat. Oh well. Oh, I can't go anywhere. Not even catching snook without finding a largemouth. Little bitty. Didn't expect that. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get out of here for today, come back tomorrow. Gonna go to sporting goods store and pick up some more jerk baits and come back reloaded and ready to get at it tomorrow. See if I can't catch something bigger than one little bitty snook. In all honesty, I'm just tired of listening to Chad's stupid jokes. It's time to go. Well, we're day 2 of our snook trip. We're gonna try to catch some bigger ones today. Got the whole crew here. Got Jamie Queen and Brian Naylor just went way over there, and Chad and our favorite Canadian, Alex. Chad's cameraman. But yeah, we're gonna slide down in this hole and see if we can catch a big one. We went to the store last night and got some jerk baits. And because dummy me left all of my good jerk baits at the house. So let's have some fun, man. I'm excited. Ready to hook into a big one. That was on that subsurface walker. Single hooks. Poor man's tarpon. Oh. I don't know what to do now. All right, we'll let me show you guys what I'm doing right now. I want this jerkbait to hang with its nose down just a little bit. I want it suspended in the water. And the steel hooks that were on there were just too heavy, causing it to sink a little bit, and it was sitting perfectly parallel to the bottom, and I didn't want that. I want it to go nose down. So the first thing I did is I changed to a lighter Mustad triple grip, and I got it to nose down, but it's still sinking. But it's still not nosing down as much as I want it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is take a little split ring, put a little split ring right on this split ring, and see if that works. Of course, I don't have any split ring pliers, but I got fingernails. Just like that. Let's see what works. See if I can get the nose down a little bit. Much better. Alright, well, Brian caught him a good one. We'll stop and take pictures real quick. There you go. There it goes. How awesome is that? I just can't catch one. Caught something. Oh, baby Snooky.
another Snooky. He's a little baby one.
Oh, don't do that. Treble hooks. Nice. Look at that little guy. Look at how aerodynamic or hydrodynamic they are. That's awesome. Oh, let him go. Another baby snook. I found the nursery. So when they start biting like that, you get them off the hook, get back in there quick.